Ipinamalas ng maraming Pilipino ang Pinoy Pride sa Toronto Pride Parade, ang ikalawang pinakamalaking Pride celebration sa buong mundo. Ang makulay na mga eksena nitong weekend sa report ni Teresa Redula.
Malapit dito sa Nathan Phillips Square nagtapos ang Pride Parade sa Toronto, kung saan isinagawa ang itinuturing na grand finale ng pinakamalaking Pride celebration sa buong Canada. At isang grupong Pilipino ang buong pusong nakilahok, dala ang isang makabuluhang mensahe. Mahigit 25,000 katao ang lumahok sa pinakamakulay na event ng syudad, ang iconic Pride Parade. At sa 250 grupong nagmarcha, hindi makakaligtaan ang nasa 60 Pilipino dala ang Pinoy Pride.
There's really power through community support. You know, Teresa, it's really nice when you walk through that parade route, and you know our kababayans would just say, "Oh, Philippines," because they'll see the flag, they see Filipino, it's in our shirts as well, and they would chant Philippines. Nakakatuwa makita that we are widely accepted and we were really met with a lot of warmth on our parade.
Tinatayang inabot ng 2 oras ang parada sa kahabaan ng Yonge Street, sa gitna ng mainit na panahon nitong linggo. Pero hindi raw matatawaran ng karanasan sa taunang event. Lalo't ito rin ang ikalawang pinakamalaking Pride celebration sa buong mundo.
Even though it's so hot outside, even though we are parading at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so it's all worth it kasi yung love na nakita namin and na-receive namin from them, it's more than anything. Filipinos is still one of the most underrepresented communities here in Canada in general. But so being part of the Pride Parade means so much kasi nabibigyan kami ng highlight and also nabibigyan ng importance yung representation na meron kami, not only as Filipinos but then as Filipinos in the LGBTQ+ communities.
Sama-sama, sari-sari sa Cibol Pride Network!
Sa ilalim ng temang Sama-sama, Sari-Sari, layo ng grupong Cibol na ipagmalaki ang pagkakaisa at pagkakaiba o diversity sa loob mismo ng Filipino-Canadian 2S LGBTQ+ community.
If there's somebody that has a family member that's not supportive, there's always going to be other people that will be supportive to you. There will always be people that will support you. You'll never be alone in this journey. It's really difficult, I know, but it takes, in time, it does get well.
Ayon sa organizers ng Pride Toronto, agad na ring sisimulan ngayong linggo ang pagpaplano para sa Pride celebrations sa 2026. Happy Pride! Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.